moving on to Lisa Marie, people have been so fascinated by this story. I know everybody has been watching what we've had to say about this. So Lisa Marie Presley's former manager, Barry Siegel, so he refers to himself as one of the former co-trustees in the Promenade Trust in a legal document that was filed back in 2019. So Priscilla Presley, of course, she is requesting that a judge declare an updated version of her daughter Lisa Marie Presley's living trust invalid. So Priscilla says in her court filing that she never accepted the amendment that Lisa Marie made in 2016. She said that the signatures weren't correct, things like that. But now it seems that Siegel, who was on that original one, did acknowledge that an amendment was made. So Lisa Marie sued Siegel in 2018, accusing her business manager and former trustee of dissipating her wealth through his reckless and negligent mismanagement. He countersued, claiming that her allegations were baseless and false. So what exactly does this mean for Priscilla now? Does this kind of confirm that there definitely was a amendment to that 2016 trust?
Well, Siegel certainly doesn't help. And, former is right. You have a former wife of Elvis Presley, Priscilla, and you have a former trustee, and when you have the former trustee saying, hey, I'm no longer a trustee of the trust, and there's this new amendment, that's all evidence that the most recent amendment is the valid will. So Priscilla really has an uphill battle in this case. She's going to try to say that, it was fraudulent and go through this will contest, but the evidence is pretty strong that Lisa Marie intended to cut her mom out and really move forward and provide her estate to her kids.
So what is next for Priscilla in this case going forward? I mean, I know that she's released statements saying that she wants to keep her family intact, but this seems to be doing something completely opposite.
Yeah, we're going to see a trial in probate court. So there's going to be a will contest. And, in these types of cases, probate cases, they're decided by a judge, not a jury. So that's some way they're a little bit different. But a judge is going to decide, is the more recent amendment, is it valid? Was this Lisa Marie's signature? Did it have witnesses? All the formalities that need to happen for a valid will or a valid trust. And if so, then Priscilla is going to be out of luck.
Right. And so does that mean like Priscilla and Riley could eventually meet together in court to kind of hash this out then?
Well, absolutely. I mean, Riley on one hand is the beneficiary, and then you have Priscilla who's challenging it. Really, the burden's on her, Priscilla, to prove that the more recent amendment is invalid.
For more news, content, and exclusive interviews, make sure to hit the sub, like, and bell button down below and visit usmagazine.com.